Alrighty, it is Monday. I don't have school today. I'm running the spreader with the 4430. So we got this barn to clean, and then that barn to clean, and then the one way up front by the bins up there. So it's gonna be a busy afternoon. They're gonna start picking corn sometime this afternoon. We don't know when. They gotta finish getting the bins ready up there. And we're only bringing one combine home to run the 12-row corn head today. Because there's no point in bringing two of them home, just to combine corn for a couple days. We only got about 180 acres of beans left, somewhere around there. There's a combine driving across the field. Which means it's combining corn, because there's no path across the field. Yep, definitely, they're setting it up. Corn harvest has started. So we got the first full hopper of the year already. That didn't take very long. They already came up there and picked. Didn't pick very much. We already got a full hopper, so that's good. There goes the little grain cart, because we don't have the big one hooked up. So looks like that's all we gotta use. But it's only one combine. Shouldn't be too hard to keep up. Alright, we're out here. What I picked, there's actually more green material on the ground than I expected, but you can see a nice cloth chopping corn head job doing here. Just wanted to come out here and see if we got any corn on the ground. There's one, that's a tiny kernel though. Oh, there's another one. Not too bad. Actually, not bad at all. Only 2 kernels, and they're really small kernels. But it is breaking the cobs up into a bunch of little pieces. There's a cob. Must have flown out the corn head. That happens sometimes. Not too often, though. Well, it's actually a really clean sample, at least on top. There's some tiny little chunks of cob in there, but that's it. There's no plant material or anything. That's a cloth sample. You can see what we've gotten done so far. Pretty much just this, and then it looks like they've already done one headland. And they're just starting the first headland around that way. I don't know what he's got done over there. And they're dumping a truck up there by the bins. You can see that there. They're dumping the Peterbilt. And it's going into the dryer. It's going back into the... I don't know if it's going into the big bins actually. You can just see how far this thing zooms. Pretty far. I'm leaning on the mini bike again. So if it's shaky, my bad. But at least you are getting to see something at least. Look at that. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to speed down to the other end so I can get some footage when they get down to the center.
Alright, I'm gonna pick this up. Get inside.
How are you gonna get the truck up?
Huh? Who's gonna bring the pickup up?
Oh.
Alright?
Well, I'll ride my mini bike up in the cold.
Leave it open all day long like the millennial farmer.